What's up, guys? Jason here, the Minto Show. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. All right, guys, so this is part 3 of our enclosed trailer project. In the last 2 parts, we got the sidewalls all painted, so that's all done. Everything turned out great. Super excited about it. I used that Behr paint. It was just a flat exterior, and it came out just great. But today, we are going to start working on the floor. And we're using a Behr porch paint. It's an anti-slip, so it's going to have a little bit of texture to it, which will be great, for the ramp here, so nobody slips. Because I'm wearing socks right now, and it's a little slippery. So that's the goal. And I also ordered a mount for the spare tire. I'll show you all about that when it comes in. We'll put that on together. It's a very, very simple mount. We'll do that next week when it gets here. But we're just going to crack open this paint, and I'm probably going to go through first with the paintbrush and do the edges, and then we'll just roll it out. So it should go pretty quick once I get those edges done, and so we can just go wild with the roller here. So let's get the paint open and let's get after it. Here we go. So again, guys, here is the paint we will be using. And this is the color we are going to be applying. This is Behr, and it's called Leather Work. It's a cool color. And the walls were a color called Time Out. So let's crack this bad boy open. So I'm thinking we're probably going to have to give this one a stir. It's been sitting here. Been sitting here a couple weeks. I'm going to make sure we give it a good stir to get those texture pieces all stirred up. All right, guys, we are off and running. Just following the there's a line of caulking around the whole floor here, so I'm just trying to follow that best I can. Guys, we are done with the brush. I went ahead and went around the whole thing, and I also went around the bottom here where the little extra ramp's at, and then we went the whole way around the interior. So all we gotta do now is roll it out, and we'll get the first coat on, and it might dry quick enough I can come back and do the second coat tonight. So let's go ahead and let's knock this out. It shouldn't take too long at all. All right, guys, so there we go. We got the first coat on it. Went on super smooth. I figured it was just the floor, but just had to do the edges, and then we just, just rolled it out. So the color is looking really, really nice. So we'll probably let that dry overnight, and probably hit it again tomorrow, and hopefully that'll be it. And then it'll be done painted, and we just gotta customize the inside. So next thing we'll do, once that's done, we'll get the spare tire that mounts come in. And I'm still working on, mounts for the floor, mounts for the sides. If anybody out there has done this before, if there's floor mounts and wall mounts that you recommend, and there's E-track. There's also like recessed, floor anchor points. So whatever you guys think, let me know. Leave me a comment below. I'm kind of just kind of overwhelmed. It's a blank canvas. You can do whatever you want, and I really don't have an end game in sight. It's really just to, like, if I wanted to haul a UTV, or if I want to get a refrigerator, or just whatever. I just gotta be able to secure it in there. So let me know if you have any suggestions you'd like to tell me about. I'd appreciate it. So, all right, guys, thanks for tuning in for part 3. And we'll catch you on for part 4 here. So thanks for tuning in to be a subscriber. See you next one. Bye, guys.